In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify to QuickBooks. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to the correct QuickBooks Online company and that you know the Shopify store address you want to connect. The store address is usually yourstore.myshopify.com, not your custom domain, so have that handy for accuracy. First, inside QuickBooks Online, go to the search bar at the top and type app. This is a quick way to jump to the apps area without digging through menus. When the apps page opens, look for the option called Find Integrations. This takes you to the marketplace where QuickBooks lists approved connections, making it easier to find the right tool. On that page, use the search box and type Shopify. You should see several results, but the one we want is Shopify Connector by QuickBooks. This is the official integration supported by Intuit, which means it's kept up to date and works smoothly with QuickBooks Online. Click it to open the app's details page and scan the overview so you understand what it syncs and how it supports e-commerce bookkeeping. Next, click Get Integration Now. QuickBooks may open a new tab and begin the connection flow. Give it a moment to load. You'll be prompted to enter your Shopify store address. Type the store address carefully using the myshopify.com format and double-check spelling. If you manage multiple stores, confirm you're using the right one so your data lands in the correct place. After the address is in, click Connect. QuickBooks will hand you off to Shopify to establish a secure link. Depending on your current login status, you might see a prompt to confirm your Shopify account and the store you're connecting. This is normal. Just make sure the details match what you expect. Then you'll return to QuickBooks to complete the connection. Once connected, you may be guided through a few setup screens that explain how information flows between Shopify and QuickBooks. Take a moment to read what each screen says so you're clear on how orders, customers, and payouts will appear in your books. Understanding these options helps ensure the sync aligns with your accounting needs. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see the Shopify connector result, clear any marketplace filters and search for the exact name. If a browser pop-up is blocked during the connection, allow pop-ups for QuickBooks so the flow can continue smoothly. And if you ever connect the wrong company or store, you can disconnect from the app settings and start again. That's it. You've connected Shopify to QuickBooks using the official Shopify connector by QuickBooks, setting yourself up for cleaner but and automated e-commerce accounting.